Click Up button to lift up the specimen support. Install the Vicat indenter on the rod. Put Vicat specimen under the indenter, 10 by 10 mm. The thickness is between 3 to 6 mm. Put the calculated weights onto the weight tray. Click down button to lower the specimen supports. Lower micrometer rod till the reading is between 3 to 5 millimeters. Click Vicat icon to enter Vicat test interface. Click Data Setting to set the specimen parameters. Set heating rate as 50 or 120 C/H. Set temperature upper limit for over temperature protection. Set specimen dimension and load additional weight is 74 g. Click Calculate to automatically calculate the weight's deflection is 1 mm. Click Test Run to start Vicat test. Before Vicat test is started, press down heat button to activate heating function. Press down heat button to activate heating function. Vicat test will be recorded automatically when 3 stations are finished. System will stop automatically.